Hello students, in this video we will going to learn about next topic which is related to leaf, and the topic is venation. So student, venation is the design or pattern made by veins in a leaf. So student, as you know, veins are the thin branches which arise from the midrib and they run throughout the leaf lamina. So they form different kind of patterns, and these different patterns known as venation. So students, is all leaf have same kind of design which is made by venation, which is made by veins, or they have different design? We will going to learn in this video, that is type of venation. So let us compare these two leaf here. So student, in this case we will find there is a prominent thick line which is present in the middle of leaf. This thick line is known as midrib, and there are number of thin lines which are run parallel to the midrib, but each of this line do not have any division. Means if we consider any of the line, it do not have any side branch. But in this case, if we compare here, this line represent midrib, and from midrib there are arises number of branches, and each branch known as veins. So student, in this case veins do not remain as a single entity, they divide into number of branches. Here similarly this vein again divide into two branches here, and as a result student, they form different kind of design as compared to this leaf. So students, with this comparison we can understand that leaf have different kind of venation. So what are the different kind? Let us learn them. So students, there are two kind of venation or arrangement of the veins in a leaf, and these two types are reticulate venation and the parallel venation. So let us learn about reticulate venation first. So students, reticulate venation, in this type of venation, net-like design made by veins on both sides of midrib. So student, in this case, the veins which arise from the midrib, they divide so much that they form net-like design around the midrib. In this picture, you can see there is a net-like structure formation by the veins. So this type of arrangement is known as reticulate venation. So in this picture, you can see there is creation of net-like structure due to repeated branching of veins. So hence, this leaf is an example of reticulate venation, because here branches divide again and again to form a net-like structure, and this net-like structure known as reticulate venation. So the next type is our parallel venation. So student, in case of parallel venation, the veins are parallel to one another along the midrib. So students, when veins arise from the midrib, they do not divide into any branch, they do not have any branch, and they run parallel to one another along the midrib. So student, parallel venation have two pattern. That is, in first pattern, veins are parallel to the midrib as you can see in this picture, and the second pattern is veins are parallel to one another along the midrib. So in this two type of leaf, if you observe, you will find there is no branching of veins. So such type of venation is known as parallel venation. So example of parallel venation is here. You can see in this case, this is midrib, and there are number of thin line which arise from the midrib, and they are parallel to one another. Like in the left part, veins are parallel to the right part veins, and they do not have any branch. So this leaf represent an example of parallel venation. There is one more leaf which has parallel venation, this one. So student, if you observe this leaf, you will find the thick middle line present in the leaf lamina is known as midrib, and from midrib this vein arise in the right half, and one more vein is arise in the left half part. But each vein do not have any side branches, and they are parallel to one another along the midrib. So they form a pattern like this one. So this is an example of parallel venation. So students, remember one thing, in case of reticulate venation, there will be net-like formation because of the repeated branching of the veins, whereas in case of parallel venation, veins are parallel to each other and they do not have any branches. So with this we have covered our topic, that is leaf venation.